I actually
Yeah.
was vegan for a bit, vegetarian for years, but it didn't turn out all great because at some point I had my life insurance appointment and they did the blood analysis on me and they said, "You are suffering from a great deal of cholesterol. What's up with you, boy?" And turns out that my metabolic dominance is turning carbohydrates into cholesterol really efficiently. I thought that as a vegetarian, well, I can eat bread, I can eat potato, I can eat rice. Turns out, no. Turns out that I'm turning the starch into glucose, insulin, cholesterol really efficiently.